I remember going to all kinds of networking events, and I saw the Rainmakers in action. Amazing. And they're handing out business cards. Heck, they probably ordered 500 business cards before they went to certain events to hand out those cards and to develop business. But by contrast, I'll also just share that I recently attended an event for a CRM company called Litify, and at the event, it was really fascinating. One of the speakers was the CIO of a large personal injury law firm, right? The chief information officer, right? If you go to a legal convention, you expect for the lawyers to speak. At this convention, the CIO was explaining that when a significant storm happens in the market where their personal injury law firm is based, then they are putting more dollars into PPC, right? Pay per click, because they know that there's going to be more accidents in certain parts of the city where that firm is based. And why are they putting more dollars into pay per click at that moment in time? Because they know that if there's going to be car accidents, people aren't going to be calling on lawyers and friends of theirs and accountants and their brother and their sister as they did in yesteryear, who are going to think of that yesteryear rainmaker. They're going straight to, that is, the client, the would-be client is going straight to Uncle Google instead. So in this age of the vanishing rainmaker, for senior attorneys that have worked your whole career to develop your book of business, your book of business is worth more now in the early part of the mid 2020s than it will be later in the 2020s, because that rainmaker in you that built up that book of business is unfortunately just not as relevant in today's Uncle Google world.